Even though this is chemistry lab, in all of science, these terms are utilized quite often to plug, chug, and crank chemical formulas, physics formulas, biological formulas. The unit of length is little m, which is the meter. Big L is liters, and that is utilized to represent what? By the way, it could be little m, big L, milliliters. That's possible. Grams or kilograms is represented for what? Joules or calories represents what? Degrees Celsius or kelvins represents what? I do want to say this, but wait. Depending on the formula that one utilizes, you might use grams or kilograms or joules or calories or degrees Celsius or kelvins. So pay very close attention when you work the problem. Because if you don't put the right unit in, you're not going to get the correct answer. Grandma Barnes says A plus 100.